Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And I might seem a little bubbly today. It's just because of this red. I don't know, I'm vibing with this shirt today. I don't know for what reason. Today I'm going to be showing you guys few things I got from Miniso. I did not want to film this video as such because I did not shop a lot, but you might find few things helpful and you might want to buy few things as well. So I thought let's just film it. Let's quickly start with this mini Miniso haul. The very first thing I got from Miniso is this. These are face razors, eyebrow razors. I always buy face razors either from Vega or Miniso, so there's nothing new about it, but I am going to show you guys how it looks and how it is. So basically this is how the razor looks like, okay, and you gotta open it like this. And here's the razor. I hope the camera is picking it right. So this is how it works. You can just cover it up after using and open it when you want to use it. The blades are so safe and so good. I basically do not prefer going to parlor wali aunties and get my eyebrows done. It's been quite a while. It's been, I think, 2 years, almost 2 years. I do my eyebrows on my own, and this is the instrument I use. It is pack of 2 and it retails for 190 rupees, which is okay. It's not extremely cheap, not extremely expensive. For the quality, I think it's amazing. The next thing in this haul is this. So this is basically a transparent nail paint, and I wanted this for so long, you guys. I wanted a clear nail gel for so long, and I found this at Miniso and I was like, I had to get this one. And I tried this on my nail, not then and there, but I came back home and I tried this one. This is good. It dries up quite nicely, like quite quickly, so I kind of like this one. This retails for rupees 90, so I think it is a good deal to buy this transparent nail gel if you're looking for one. Yeah, that's that. Next thing in this haul is this. This is a deodorant from Miniso. I always prefer deodorants over perfume when it comes to regular use, so I wanted to try one from Miniso, and this is how it is. And I don't know if it is unisex or not, but after coming back home, I realized that it smells quite masculine, so I might not use it. I might give this to my father or anybody who comes to my home. So I might give this away because it smells kind of masculine. I don't want to smell like that at all. So I'm not very sure about the longevity part of this deodorant because I've not used it. But yes, the smell of this one is amazing. On males, I would say. You might check this out on a Miniso store and you might find this good for your own self, but I think it is good for males. This retails for 150 rupees. I don't know if it is unisex or not. I did not read anything. I just smelled it and I was like, get it. So yeah, a deodorant. Next thing in my haul is extremely cute, you guys, okay? Like, I'm all about fancy brushes, and if you have been following me for a while on YouTube, then you know I use fancy brushes, and this is what I got. It has crystal detailings to it, like it is a glass, what do you call it? It's a glass stick, and there are a lot of pink crystals inside. And let me open this quickly and show you guys how the brushes actually look like. Yeah, I think now it is more visible. So it has all the 5 brushes you'll ever need for your eyes, and the quality is superb. The brush quality is extremely good, so it's gonna work amazingly on your eyes, and it is super soft. It's gonna blend your eyeshadow well. I don't want to ruin my mascara. Keep it back. So yeah, some brushes I got. Just keep it like this. Okay, so the next thing is one thing that I've been wanting for so long. I had to get a hand mirror because I am on YouTube now, okay? So I need to film makeup videos, and I broke my hand mirror. I used to use those palettes, palettes only ki palette dekha aur makeup kar liya. So I got this, और मैंने आज makeup इसी से किया है. Like, I held this in my hand and I did my mascara, I did my lipstick and stuff. So this is the hand mirror I got. It is so beautiful, you guys, and I just loved the print. Basically it's supremely light, it's not gonna hurt your hand whatsoever. And look at the print, watermelon. Okay, I just love watermelon, and the moment I saw it I was like, it's me, I had to get this. So I just got this one, and it's gonna make my work easier, okay, on YouTube as well, and even in my personal life, because hand mirror is must for girls. So yeah, a hand mirror. I think it was for 200 rupees. I'm not really sure, I just threw the packaging away and I could not find it after that. So I think it was around 200 rupees. Okay, so the next thing I got is not so good. Like, I realized after coming back home, and I was like, why did I get this? This is what I got next. This is a lunchbox, tiffin, dabba, whatever you want to call it, and this is how it looks like. So when I saw this tiffin dabba lunchbox, I was like, it is double decker. Like, really, it's so cute. You're gonna put your, like, this is how I imagined it to be. I'm gonna put my rice here and then my liquid vegetable here, and it's gonna be airtight, but it's not. It's not. Like, I'll show you how it works. Okay, let me remove this. Though it comes with an elastic band, but I don't think so it's gonna hold our Indian curries that well, so I don't think so it's gonna work. And it flew away somewhere and I don't want to pick it up, so let me quickly film this and then I might pick it up. So this is how this dabba looks like. Okay, वहाँ पे मैंने सोचा था कि मैं इसमें अपना थोड़ा सा राइस लेके जाऊँगी कोर्ट में खाने के लिए, क्योंकि अभी कभी टाइम नहीं मिलता है ना यार, हमेशा बाहर का खाना, इसमें बाहर का ही खाती हूँ, बट इट्स ओके। सो आई थॉट कि मैं यहाँ पर अपनी राइस लेके जाऊँगी या चपाती लेके जाऊँगी, रोटी लेके जाऊँगी, और इसमें मैं अपनी करी लेके जाऊँगी। बट लुक एट दिस शिट, ये बंद भी नहीं हो रहा है। लाइक ये क्या है, ये इससे अच्छा ना 10 रुपये का पेंसिल का डब्बा मिलता है वहाँ पे स्टेशनरी की दुकान पे, ठीक है, वो भी बंद हो जाता है, पर ये बंद नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट। अब मैं इसको घर पे यूज़ कर, देखो, लुक एट। I'm quite sad about this, but it's okay. I think it was for 200 rupees and 190 or 200, I'm not really sure. And this is what I get. Chopsticks, जो मुझे यूज़ भी नहीं करनी आती हैं। Like, आती हैं but you know अच्छे से नहीं आती। Like, so this is the dabba I got for 200 rupees. Okay, so the last thing is, what is the last thing? So the last thing I got is quite useful and it's a makeup organizer. But let me give you guys a quick disclaimer that this is not from Miniso. This is from a store called Mega Tree. It is similar to Miniso but not Miniso. So I thought let's just include this in this video because there's only one thing I had to show you guys. So I didn't want to make a separate video for this one thing. So I'll just quickly include this in this video and I'll show you guys how it looks like. So this is the makeup organizer I got. It looks so gorgeous. It looks so gorgeous, you guys. Look at this. It is plastic, although it is plastic, but it looks exactly similar to glass organizer, like a proper glass organizer. And this is how it looks like, and it's gonna hold my brushes so well. Let me take these so let me quickly take these Miniso brushes and put few inside so that you guys can see how it's gonna look. Oh dude, can I just do some things without any hassle? Okay, so let me keep these 3 brushes here. So this is how it's gonna work, and I'm gonna keep all my thick brushes in this big compartment and then small brushes like eye brushes here and then face brushes here, and it's gonna look so beautiful, you guys. It's looking so beautiful already. So this is the makeup organizer I got from Mega Tree, not from Miniso, and And yes, this is the last thing in my haul, and I'm just loving it. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul, and see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.